Good morning, everybody. So it is about 8:15 and I'm up early to do some work because I got a call yesterday that we were going to be able to bump up the spray foam to today. So I got up early today. I'm going to get the rest of the flooring that I can get done, and then I'm going to drive it over and we're going to start the spray foam process. So super excited. So let me show you how far we did get. And I say we because my friend and business partner came over and helped. I've got 5 boards secured. This board, I actually cannot put it onto the rises in the floor the same way that I can these boards. You can see how close these are together and how far apart these are, and then they disappear. So I bought 1/4 inch, they're actually flooring boards, and that actually raises this up to the perfect height to be even with this. So I'm going to place a few of those underneath to give it some solid support. Unfortunately, that means I've got to probably get that rest of that glue out that I thought I wasn't going to have to mess with, and I can get that board down. Another challenge is, you can see I marked support here. There is a frame running from here all the way down to the end, and same here all the way down to the end. So I need to think about that, and so I may have to get a little bit creative with how I handle the areas that have frame underneath, but I will let you know what I decide. I'll be doing some cutting and some gluing and some different things today that haven't had to do yet, which will slow me down just a little bit, and then I have to shear off those bolts so that I have a nice flat surface. And I'm hoping that I can get this done in about 3 hours. That would put it right around noon. Then I could shower and take the van to get the spray foam started. I've got my coffee, my breakfast bar, all kinds of tools, the van, and a sunny day. So I should be able to get a lot accomplished. Okay guys, you'll never believe where I am. I am sitting outside the building where I'm going to get the van spray foamed. So we just did a little prep work. We're gonna continue prep with sealing off the cab, the cargo door, and the back doors. And then, yeah, this thing will be sprayed before the day is done. And I'm hoping I'll get it back today. Might be tomorrow, but that's okay. I'm really excited. So while we wait for the guys to come back, let's talk a little bit about how the floor went. I was able to get the supports into the floor for the plywood that will go down as the subfloor. Once I got the bolts into the board, I sheared those off, so those are nice and even. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. This section here, as you recall, I mentioned that it was not fitting in between these two areas, so I added a 1/4 inch board. It's a poplar board that I got from the flooring section, and I did glue between this board and this board, as well as putting the bolts in to support that down. So these are really, really secure, and they're not going anywhere.
So we just got the van prepped and ready to go. What we've done is we've basically put a nice little wax on the outside, and taped off the areas with some plastic just to kind of keep everything nice and closed. And right now we're just going to be doing a little detail work, catching up some of the small gaps and cracks on the inside before we come back around and do the full enclosure. Today we're going to be using a 2-pound density foam here at AMBIT Polyurethane, and we're very excited for Rebecca and allowing us to spray her van for her.
Good job, thank you. Okay guys, I am here. I'm sitting back in the van. It is all spray foamed. Look at that. I am so excited. Now I have to go wash because we put a soapy mixture on the outside in order to keep any of the atomized stuff in the air from landing on the outside of the van. So I need to go wash this thing and get it all clean and shiny. I'm super excited about this. Now I'm gonna drive it and see if it's quieter, which it has to be. It had gotten so loud in here with all the wires and the floor gone and everything. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. This is gonna be the close of this video for this series, and coming up next we'll be putting in the floor. Love you guys. Bye.